Molex's Mini-Fit Sigma connectors feature a slim profile design that allows for a thin PCB profile. These glow-wire-capable connectors utilize the current Mini-Fit TPA2 terminals that easily mate with the applicable circuit size standard Mini-Fit Junior header. The Mini-Fit Sigma connectors offer a 4.2 mm pitch with 14 amps of current. The Mini-Fit Sigma sealed solution prevents the risk of moisture, foam, and dust ingress. A rubber cap wraps around the back of the housing, and panel mount ears on the plug housing supply safety and stability of the plug to the panel. These connectors are ideal for automotive, consumer, home appliance, industrial, medical, and telecom networking applications.